Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti on Thursday directed all the senior officials, including army personnel, to monitor the situation arising out of continued rains in the Kashmir Valley for the past 2 days. The Chief Minister issued orders to form unified control rooms at the district levels and asked the Divisional Commissioner to monitor the functioning of these control rooms and coordinate the rescue efforts in these districts. The meeting was conducted after the water level of River Jhelum touched the danger level.
एरियाज में स्टिल शानपुर है नौगां भी थ्रू कर दिया कि उसके